Wanted to do a quick video. We're doing an exhaust tailpipe. My son got a free exhaust tip. Kudos to Minuteman Muffler. So what I did to square it up, so when the exhaust pipe was in the car, I marked it. Then I held the tailpipe up, or the tip up, cut back, and then this is angle iron on either side, and then I ended up using hose clamps to hold the angle iron. So that squared everything up here. So what I'll end up doing is I'll probably spot weld it there, and on the bottom, and then come in and start welding it. But that should get everything pretty squared up on this pipe and get us ready to go. So that's one way to kind of get it where you're kind of straight coming out. Just a little tip. We're doing this for a 80s Ford with the